Hello everyone, today's recipe is for Peri Peri chicken. Step 1. Peri Peri marinade. In a blender, add quarter cup of oil, add quarter cup of red wine vinegar, 1 lemon juice seeds out, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 red chillies spiced to taste, add 7 to 8 garlic cloves, add some lemon and lime zest, add 1 to 2 sprig of thyme, and salt to taste. Blend it and put it aside. Step 2. Spatchcock chicken or butterflying the chicken. Take whole chicken, make sure it's washed and dry. Use good pair of kitchen shears. Cut the tail. Cut the backbone of the chicken. Then remove the breastbone, or it's up to you. You can give it a little slit to flatten the chicken. Flip the chicken over and flatten the breastbone. Step 3. Marinate the chicken. Marinate the inside of the chicken first with your hands with gloves or with a brush. Just make sure you're not using bare hands, as that can give you a burning sensation. It did happen to me. Flip the chicken and marinate the other side. Once you're done marinating, marinate the chicken overnight, or you could cook it right away. Step 4. Oven roasting or barbecue. First, preheat oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. On the stove, heat the oven-ready grill skillet. Put the chicken on the heated skillet and sear on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Then put the skillet in the oven. Roast chicken for about 40 minutes uncovered on the middle rack without opening the oven. And yes, you can also use a roasting pan as well. Once the chicken is done, take the chicken out and let it sit for about 5 minutes before carving. Enjoy! Now barbecue is my another favorite way of making this. Put the chicken right on your favorite barbecue. Cook till it's done, approximately 25 minutes on low heat. Flip the chicken occasionally. And don't do what I did, don't overdo the chicken by getting distracted. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!